I'm actually gonna start recording now. I'm not gonna go in there because I have to censor crap. Yo, we got the new ritual stick. We gotta go take out that other stick and put this one in here. We gotta put this in here, leave it in here, and then when we leave, we'll take it back out. Oh yeah, look how ugly this thing is. This thing looks... There's like brown drips, bro. How did you miss the toilet, dude? Still got the logo and everything. Look, still got the logo and everything. IP Potties. Dude, he's missing it, bro.
Yeah, I mean,
Come
we
on,
have to take a dump now. We can go in there.
Yeah. We don't... Yep, they probably saw us on the cameras. Yeah.
And they're like, nope.
Nope, we can't be having these children down here again. Too bad, I like it. Why? Oh yeah, because it makes you burn.
Oh, didn't imagine poison ivy.
What? What was that? Yo, someone just
Speaking of that, my butt will get you.
Someone just ended themselves. I just heard a gunshot up there. Either a gunshot or a bang. Alright, so we gotta start the ritual like immediately.
No, we give you some back. That's weird, just one flower.
I thought I saw something. Yeah, that is kind of weird. Just a lone flower right there. Yeah, we'll go back for the ritual. We gotta replace the stick with the new and improved.
That's like 3 nuts.
Yeah. Yo. Nah. There is birds. Like a lot of birds. I remember the bird feathers right there. Bird. Wait, what swing? Oh no, I left it there. I left it flipped. I don't know. Hey, one side's gonna be dry now. That's what I did because it was raining that day. The trash can fell over. That's something. Look right over there. The black tube. I feel like the skid steer that was over by the porta potty, moved it over here. It looks like one of those sewer ones, but like 3 times bigger. Put it in the mud. Park mud for good luck. Would you? Look at this
Imagine
thing.
we find the pillow in there.
No, dude, if we did, I'd start tweaking, dude. Because I haven't seen that pillow in 3 years. That was kind of a beat, not gonna lie. Yeah. I can't even tell. It says like, it says something lane.
Find something.
It's like a rope. This is like a band.
Before you start banging, I heard something else though.
All right, let's crawl through it, chat.
No.
Yeah, I already did it once. There's nothing in it.
Well, it's soaked.
Hold up, let me turn on the good light. We got the headband, yo. I'm actually really greasy again. Yo. Oh yeah. Oh god, it's moving. Yo! Help! I don't know. You can rock it back and forth. Yeah, that's actually tough. They should keep it down here so we could use it. Alright, I'll start it now. Single flower. Where'd the stick go?
I can see it just falling.
No, I put it in the stump. Didn't I put it in the stump? Bro, where'd the stick go? Oh, my mama, I thought I had it. What the frick is this? Get out of my way. I thought I had a stick in here. Don't matter. I'll look back. I'll look and see if I left the stick in there. Come on.
Hey, there's a can.
A can?
Hmm?
Where? What's it? Oh, is that? It looks like NOS. Like the. Is that what it's called? The drink NOS? Isn't there a energy drink called NOS? All right, we'll start the ritual. Stick it in here. This is gonna be the power. The staff that Pap gave us, Pap staff. We're gonna use it to enrage Sandy Ridge right now. All right, we got it in there. Who we calling in? Who we calling in?
Oh, the whole gang.
Hey, anybody here? Anybody who's in this area, in the park right now? Appear or just follow us. Give us a sign that you're here. Thought so. Bro, we don't even take the ritual serious anymore. We just put a stick in there and call it a day.
No, I mean, it's kind of like the first stop for a good minute.
Yeah. Anyone down here? Any spirits that we've encountered before? Or new upcoming spirits? Or entities? Anything? Zozo? Come back, Zozo. We need content. Just show yourself. Or give us a sign. Guess it's not the day again.
I can't live that.
Alright, we'll leave that stick in there. When it's time to go, we'll take it out.
And you gotta go for football.
Yeah.
Go back and do football.
Yeah, that might be the method. We keep it in there instead of taking it
Now
taking it out.
Oh my god, there's a bike. He's turning up the shirt. So.
Oh. Hey, Carter's been riding around on I think it's an electric bike. That might be him. We should drag him down here. This is crazy though. Should we take this?
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah. Just from the route.
Yeah, I wanna hold it.
Hold it.
Has
Want-
aura.
Take it with us. Oh yeah. The single. Like there's no other one. That's the only one left. Significance. What if we put that in this? The ritual.
Picture of it. It was beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Bro.
Bar. There's nothing in the bathroom. Yeah, it's just the stains. Dude, it's the crazy stuff happens when it gets dark. Like we just gotta be patient for that stuff. What?
There's numbers on this thing.
On the board?
No, this.
What? Do you? What is that? Dude, that sounded like humming, bro.
I can't really hear.
Look.
There's a number 608 on here.
Right there. Do you hear? How do you not hear that? Dude, that's not even my main concern. That was straight humming, bro. It was like.
Yeah, 608. Trying to get.
Is that like house numbers? Because there's numbers on trees. Like that old house up there, the one where you broke the window,
Yeah.
isn't there a number like on the tree? Or is that the one where there's no house anymore? Because I know there's a few houses with numbers on trees. Did you not hear that humming? That was crazy. I just started recording and then I heard that. Yo, that's...
I can hear it.
I can't even really tell what that is. It sounds like humming. Wait.
It's farther. It is so far now. I can hear it. It's so far out though.
What the freak is happening? who's blasting funk, bro?
Oh my god.
Dude, that sounded like bass boosted to the max. Dude, okay, now it sounds like a chainsaw.
I'm pretty sure it's still. I heard one over here.
Who is blasting music in the woods right now?
Down here, I want to look at.
Dude, I'm trying to take it serious, bro. What? Who the is blasting music, dude?
Dude, it's like vibrating. That is so.
It's like shaking the whole entire forest, bro. What, the freaking spirits jamming out, dude? What the?
The wagon.
That is crazy. That is crazy. That 1,000% caught that on camera, bro. 1,000%. That was.
I feel like we go farther.
Starting to sound closer. Whoosh. It keeps going to the right. No, not... Yeah, to the right. Look at all these tubes.
This is like in the ground. Oh my god. This flashlight scared the
Okay, these two are like the same size as the one at the park.
that one.
Yeah, these ones are huge. Another Christmas tree right there. I just heard footsteps.
Me too. I'm ready to Bro, that was like right in front of us.
That was like right there.
No, it was like right in front of us. I seen it. It was like a bird and it squealed and it flew.
Yeah, but then I heard something freaking.
Sounds closer.
Is that a bike? One, it's either a bike. Two, it's either a chainsaw. Or three, it's like weird, loud humming. I don't think it's humming anymore. No, we gotta get out of here. I thought I just heard something behind us now. Yeah, I don't know. It's getting further again. Dude, it's already been 9 minutes. How long, bro? What the? Dude, it's like time flies when we're down here.
I know. So you
What's
get-
over here? Look at this little trail or divot right here.
Yeah, it's
There's another tube. Actually, there's two.
Oh,
Two-
it's like under.
Two like medium-sized tubes. That's the water. Better not be a hole in there anymore. Wait, what the heck?
Oh, we just cut into these things.
Wait, is this the bridge?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it is. Wait, it is, I think, right? Over there. Yeah.
Dude, that's so far away. Hold on. We're testing something.
We testing a tree knock or what are we testing? No noise. See if it echoes. That chainsaw noise and that bass boosting completely stopped after we did those knockings. Or did they? Boom, boom, boom.
Holy guns.
My light's starting to get bright now.
It's getting darker. Time is 8.
8 already?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, it hasn't even felt like 10 minutes, dude.
Felt like 20 in my opinion.
I haven't felt nothing to me.
Almost. Oh, God, almost 8.
Well, that was fricked.
There's 2 water balls.
Hmm. That bass boosting, freaking ghost having a party, throwing a chainsaw around was kind of crazy.
It was.
I don't know who would be riding out at this time though. Like, wait, which way should we go? Oh wait, dude, we still go this way. Like when it gets dark, like dark, noticeably dark, where our flashlights are really bright, I wanted to look at the park from afar. Like just from like the field. Like we could even see it if it's that dark.